What if I told you that you can start coding today and build apps, automated tasks, and create AI projects all with one easiest programming language in the world? Welcome to day one of our Python journey. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn Python from zero to absolute. So, first question, why Python? Python is one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages out there, so that's why we choose it. It's more like an English language. Its syntax is very simple, clean, and easy to understand. And why we use it? It's also extremely powerful, and we use it for web development, science, data science, automation, artificial intelligence, and even game development. We can build multiple apps with it. We can make a lot of projects using it. If you have to learn one single language at a time, then you should choose Python. So, how to install it? Let's we see how. So here is our website python.org, and here is the download button. I'm going to click it, and here you can see the latest version 3.14.4. I'm going to click it, and here you can see the download has started. As I have already downloaded it, so I am going to cancel it, and let's move towards our next step. So we need a code editor for programming languages like JavaScript, Python, and many other languages. And for Python we have multiple options like VS Code, PyCharm, and Replit, etc. But here we are going to use VS Code, and for it we are going to see the installation of VS Code. So to install VS Code we have multiple steps. First we're going to code.visualstudio.com and click the download VS Code. Next we are going to download it like a normal application, nothing more than that. And once downloaded, open it, and after opening we are going to download its extension. After clicking the extension box, we are going to download the Python extension so that we can run Python easily and smoothly. So to do this we have to do some practical work, and let's do this. So this is our website code.visualstudio.com, and here is the download for Windows, and many other options are available and guidance as well. So I'm going to just click download for Windows just for your guidance. And as I have already downloaded VS Code, so I'm going to cancel it for now. So now simply move towards VS Code setup. After installing, it's just a simple app, and after the installation I am going to run it for you. So move towards that part. So this is the interface of our Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to click it, and here you can see I was working on 100 days Python challenge first tutorial, and main.py is also there. So this is the simple interface. I am going to run it from scratch. So new window, and here you can see this is the first interface you are going to see. And for you, first thing to click is open folder. So click it, and there are multiple things like open file, etc. But you are going to open folder and select a folder from all these folders. So my folder is on desktop and 100 days Python challenge. I am going to select this folder, and now you can see already day one created, and I'm going to delete that main.py for you. And on side there is an AI chatbot also there. So this is the new folder button, and previous that was the new file button. And I'm going to delete main.py and simply creating it again for you to run. So here I'm going to run write main.py typo error, and going to fix it. And here one thing I left, that was to download extension. I'm going to download it later. Just writing simple first Python code. So this is the print statement, and inside it braces and then inverted commas and hello world. This is the simplest form of code you can write in any programming language. So print, then braces, then inverted commas, and then hello world, and then there is a run button. I'm going to click, and here you can see hello world has been printed. So it's more like an English language. You can see print means to print something, and then hello world inside braces and inverted commas. So it's nothing difficult in it. And now one thing left, that is to download extension for it, and to click it extensions, and here you're going to search Python. So when you search Python and install it, multiple other variables are also going to download, that are Python debugger, as you can see on the screen, Pylance, Python environments, etc. As I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again, but you should download it to run your Python code smoothly and to see that run button on in your VS Code. So that was it from first day of 100 days of Python code. We just saw how we can install VS Code and Python in our computers and laptops, and what is Python.